Hi there, this is a paper prototype of a calendar application for an iOS smartphone. Here is the design of the calendar with basic functionalities like the arrows and above and the tabs that are available at the bottom of the screen. These functionalities are for first-time users. What we are going to focus on are the alternative gestures that performs the same functions. We're going to start this testing by creating an event. If you notice, as you single tap on any of the dates, an event summary is available at the preview panel, the lower part of the screen. As there are no events created, it shows no event. The blue background that you would see when you tap on the date are to indicate the date year you are on. So to create an event, single tap on the date that you would like to select like this, and with two fingers bring them apart like this. So now it would be led you to the add event panel, where you would notice fields like title, location, start an event, repeat event, alert event, label, as well as notes. At the top hand over here we have the cancel button, and on the other side we have the done button. So to edit the title of the event, we must click on the field as such, and it will lead us to the title and location edit panel, where if you click on the title field, a keypad would appear and you just have to enter your title name, as mine would be event. Alright then, and if you're happy with that, you can move on to location. Click on that and key in your location name. So I'm done with my title and location edit, and I just press done, and I'm led back to the add event edit panel. Now I like to edit the start of and end of my event. So the screen is as similar. We have the cancel and the done button. Now to edit the start and end of our event, when we click on it, a slider would appear. So right over here we have the date, the time, it's minutes, and AM or PM. So I would like to edit mine now to 8 AM as shown on the screen, and now I'll edit my end event to 9 AM. So now once I'm done with that, I'll just click on the done button, and I'm led back to the add event button. So I have my fields all edited. Now I like to see if I like to repeat my event. So when I click on repeat event, I'm led to be shown the options that are given to me, but however, I do not want to repeat any event, so I'll click on none and press done. So it doesn't show anything because we have clicked none. It goes the same for the alert. Right now we're gonna go to the label, which is the most interesting. This label is actually for us to be able to label our event in terms of colors. So to edit that, we just click on the label field, and the color spectrum would appear. So it has an arrow slider, which you can slide from left to right to left, and right now I like to pick the red color, and I have it as the label for my event. Once that is done, it would show on the add event edit panel. Now for the notes, as you click onto it, the keyboard would appear, and you can write whatever notes you like. However, I do not want to write any notes, so I'm just going to click on done. So we're back here where we would be able to see our fields being filled up. Just checking through it to see if it's correct, and if you like what you've entered, just click on done. Once we have filled up our event details, we can see the event we have created with the red label on it, and on the preview panel is the summary of the event. Well, right now we are going to change our viewing preference. We are currently viewing our calendar by month. We can change it to week or day. To do so, we have to place any two fingers at diagonal corner of the screen and bring them together like this. We are now previewing the calendar by week. As we have initially clicked on the April 23rd, it shows us the week of the month with our details showing a little differently, but still with a red label on it. Now we're going to change our view by day, and if we bring our fingers together again, we would be viewing Wednesday, April 23rd with an hour intervals on the date, and we can identify our event clearly with its red label on it. So now because I prefer viewing my calendar by month, we're going to change our viewing calendar again. Right now we have our viewing orientation in portrait. To actually change your viewing orientation, use two fingers and rotate it at 90 degrees clockwise depending on how you want to view your calendar. And now the calendar is on landscape. I will change it back to portrait now for the following activity. As we enjoy swiping in between months, and we can do that with the arrows at the side, right over here, we can simply use two fingers and slide it towards the left or right. As I go towards the right, it will bring me to the month of April. And as I go towards the left, it will bring me back to May. We'll do that again towards the left, and we are here in June. And now we're gonna go back, and that's it.